Well, Don, I'd like to thank you for the wonderful lead cloth fabric. You won't believe how it wound up on a boat in Lake Erie. So I saw this at your shop and I looked at it, the beautiful roll of fabric, and considered making some sailplane cover, wing covers for me, but passed on it, and Janet went down to the Recycle and Reuse Center and found the fabric and donated to the Resource Center. And I saw it. Tom seamstress who was going to make these lee cloths for us, she couldn't complete the project, so Tom sewed up the lee cloths using the fabric, some of the fabric that you had donated to the Recycling and Reuse Center. So these little fabric curtains here are to keep you in a bunk. So if you imagine, you're leaning over to the starboard here, you'd be falling out of your bunk. Or likewise with this is my bunk here on the port side. You'd be rolling out, and then there's Captain Tom's bunk here. So thank you very much, John. Don, we're getting ready to set sail for Helsinki, Finland, and it's going to be quite the experience. But we're well prepared with all of our lee cloths. So thank you, Don.